Hey guys, so it was Christmas Eve tonight, and we had our annual Christmas Eve all-day dinner at my grandmother's. It was really nice. It was me, my cousin Travis, my sister Jamie, my mom, my mom's boyfriend Ernie, my cousin Travis's mom, her boyfriend, his two kids, our cousin Bobby, his wife, his son, and a friend of the family, Liz. And it was just a fantastic day. I got Kinect. It's a lot of fun. I just gotta get more games for it to really enjoy it. But it was a lot of fun. And I can't wait till tomorrow to get the rest of my presents. But you know what my mom got me? Look. And see if you can see. It's upside down, but it's the New York Giants. It's a really nice blanket. It's like a throw blanket, and it's so warm. And I love the Giants. So, except after the game, they're in the doghouse with me. But let's face it, I'm a passionate fan, so I'll get over it. But yeah, I love this blanket. That's it for tonight, but it was a fantastic party. I don't want to break out the camera because none of them really know about my vlogging yet, except for Liz and my mom. But no one really appreciates it. So tomorrow I'll probably break it out some more, so you'll get some actual footage. So this is gonna be my Christmas Eve Christmas vlog. So I'll see you tomorrow, which is in 2.2 seconds or microseconds or whatever. Good night, guys. Merry Christmas. I woke up about 6:30 today, and everybody was still sleeping. And Ernie's daughter was here. She's like 6. Now, when I was 6 years old, I'd be up at the crack of dawn, like 4:30, 5 o'clock, opening presents. She wasn't up until like 7 o'clock. I was like, are you kidding me? It's crazy. So I ended up opening my presents before her. I got the $1 million belt, which is Ted DiBiase is a very well-known wrestler, and he was known for being DOG. Get back here. He was known for being this millionaire wrestler, like a dickhead millionaire, and he bought himself a world title, the $1 million title. So they came out with a ring for that, so I got that. Let's face it, I'm representing. Also, they came out with a world heavyweight title as a ring, so I had to get that. I got Nexus armband, had to get that. DOG, get back here. I got a game for Kinect. I got Kinect. It's a lot of fun. Honestly, it's freaking awesome. And so now we're watching all day The Christmas Story. I'm heading out in like an hour, going with Ernie to see his family. And I'm going to go see, like I said, his family with him and just hang out for a while. And because me and his, text. Me and his, I love his families. They're really cool. And I'm going to hang out with his niece Brittany for a little while. Because she's my age, around my age, so hanging out with her is a lot of fun. So for now, just enjoying Christmas. Hey guys, we're in the middle of a blizzard in Cut It Backville. It's my town. Yeah, I just told you guys my town. Come visit. So yeah, Christmas was awesome. I'm uploading the video tomorrow. It was just too crazy. I didn't get a lot of footage, but I showed you guys what I got. I think I showed you already, but bling, baby. Not just bling, but wrestling bling. So yeah. I'm gonna get shoveling now, so I don't have to do it later. So peace.